Can the average Joe go from 0 to 1 million in 2 years? Well, that's what I'm trying to do. So stick around and let's see what progress I've made. Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Leroy, and welcome to my channel, 40 and Broke, where we're all about getting out of debt, saving, investing, and getting our finances under control so we can live the life we've always dreamed of. Because that's what it's all about, living the life we've always dreamed of. So like I said, I'm doing my 0 to 1 million challenge, and I've gave myself 2 years, and I just wanted to come up and give a quick update on what I have going on. Not a whole lot, but I have made a few small progresses, so I'll share those. But what I wanted to do quick is, this is a little side note for the budgeting community. I was just watching a video, and there's an Australian cash stuffer named Budgets with M, and she is doing a challenge where the next 2 weeks, so I think it would be by Wednesday. Let's see, this is Wednesday, is the 17th, tomorrow. I want to say the 25th. But anyways, so you got to get there by the 25th. So she's doing a challenge that however many new subscribers that she gets in that time, she's putting $3 away into her savings account. Whatever she's saving for, but she's saving $3 for every new sub. So I think for $3 a sub, everybody should head over there, show her some love, hit that subscribe button, and let's see how far we can boost her savings. So I'm going to leave a description to her channel down. Obviously, I'll leave a link down in the description box below as usual. So like I said, go give her some love, go subscribe to her channel. Let's break the bank. So, all right. So, what have I done on my road to 1 million? Well, I've taken a gift card that I got from work, $25 Amazon gift card. I turned that into, I bought a share of Palantir, and I bought that at 22 something, and that's up right now. I took another 25 that I had, and I bought some Shiba Inu, and I FOMO'd on that. So yeah, I'm down a good chunk on that one, probably at least a third of it. So let's say I'm at about $15 out of that 25 on the Shiba Inu. So I'm down a little bit. But I also have some rewards that are stacked up in my Ibotta. I have some rewards that are stacked up in Fetch, my Marlboro rewards, stuff like that. Like I said, all those links are in the description. If you want to use them, we'll both get some rewards. And the cool thing about that Fetch, or no, not Fetch, Ibotta, I just got a free Thanksgiving dinner. They were giving $15 back on a turkey. I found a turkey for $10, so they paid me $5 to buy a turkey. Can't beat that. So if you don't have Fetch or Ibotta, I've got them all down there. They all basically do the same thing. Fetch, Receipt Hog, Ibotta, they all do that. Give you money back, give you gift cards, stuff like that. But the other thing I did was I was watching a video by Dredd De Jesus, and I'll leave a link to that video down in the description box below. And he did a few side hustle apps that he tried out, and I mean, they don't make you a lot of money. I downloaded one of them called Honeywell, and basically this is something, I'll leave a link to it down below. That way, if you guys do want to sign up for it, it'll be down there, and you get a free 5,000 points, which is the equivalent of $5, and then I think I get $5 also. Basically what that does is it just runs on your phone, or your computer. Now the thing is, I have unlimited data, so it's constantly running, on my phone, And what it does is it's for businesses and stuff that they, internet traffic, and I don't quite understand it, and it's probably stealing my data like crazy. But, hey, they're paying me for it, and what the heck, the government's spying on everything we do anyways with our phones. I might as well make some money off it, So there's Honeywell, and then there's another one called Reclaim, and I'm going to sign up for that one here later on today. I'll leave a link, referral link to that one down below also. So like I said, those two, I don't know much about them, so I don't want to lead you astray. You would definitely want to do your own due diligence on those two apps, just in case there's something that you don't want any part of. But like I said, it has something to do with your internet, and it runs traffic through your internet, probably steals every little bit of data you have. But hey, like I said, the government's already stealing your data anyways. You might as well make a buck off it. But so those are the two apps that I'm adding to my phone. I have not sold my DVDs yet, unfortunately. I mean, who watches DVDs? I was going to take them to the pawn shop, but I keep forgetting. And I mean, I don't even think the pawn shop's going to really give me anything for them, but yeah, who knows? Maybe I'll just end up donating them. I'm trying to think. Oh, I got some electricity in the final room of my barn. So I'm going to start cleaning that up, and I'm going to put some of my woodworking stuff out there. So I'll probably start doing some woodworking stuff, see what I can sell on like Facebook or something like that. My brother does the metal yard art, stuff like that, and he makes like custom design signs and stuff like that. And maybe I'll leave some pictures of the stuff he does. Who knows? Maybe I can drum him up some business, if he ever gets that's his stuff around. But anyways, that's my update. Still basically just reading, learning, laying the foundation. And, I'm only a month into it. But, once I get that foundation laid, once I get everything going, that's when I think things will start snowballing. But it's starting at zero, man. That's a little more difficult than I thought it'd be. Because, at least with using money from work, you've got a paycheck that you can use. I'm just going to take the little bit of money that I have from my side hustles, and I'm going to work that and build it up. See how we go. And what I was interrupting myself over is I'm also going to use the change that I've been saving up. So it's there. Why not? So, all right, everybody. That's it right there. Like I said, I'll leave a link to those apps down in the description. I'm going to leave a link to Dredd De Jesus' channel. I'll put that down in the comments to that side hustle app video. And then once again, like I said, let's go over and check out Budgets with M, and let's blow her subscription rate, or her subscription rates to the roof. Let's get her a bunch of subs. All right, everybody. 0 to 1 million. If I can do it, you can do it. Join me on the path. Let's do this together. Let's live the lives that we've all been dreaming about. All right, everybody. Have a great day.